Let us see a CNC lathe programming example. This is the component with 70 mm dia and 200 mm length on which a facing operation has to be performed to a depth of 2 mm. Let us write the part program for this operation. This part of the part program is similar in every program. It starts with a program number denoted by O, followed by tool compensation G40, which is followed by can cycle cancel G80. Then move the tool to machine center using G28. Then change the tool to tool 1. Then start the spindle rotation with M03 to 1200 RPM. Then move the tool to a position near the workpiece using rapid traverse G00. That is to a position of 71 in X and 02 in Z. Then move the tool using the linear traverse G01 to -1 in Z at a feed rate of 0.1. Then to machine the face, move the tool inwards to the center. That is to 0 in X. Then retract the tool out to 0 in Z, that is to work center. Then again retract the tool out to 71 in X. Then to machine 1 mm that is left in the material, move the tool to -2 in Z. Then to machine the material that is left out, in this case 1 mm of stock, move the tool to X0. Then retract the tool out to 0 in Z, that is to work center. Move the tool out to X73. This completes the machining process. Let us move the tool to machine center and stop the spindle rotation with M05, and then end the program and reset with M30. This completes the part program. Let us go to the machine to machine the component. I have already input the offset, and now let us machine the component. This completes the machining, and for the complete tutorial visit our website.